Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to use Excel formulas and functions. I have this list of some formulas here and I will show you how to use them. Let's start with basics. Let's say I have these two numbers and I want to add them. One thing is important, for each and every formula in Microsoft Excel you have to start it with equal to sign. Just press equal to, select this cell, plus from keyboard and select second cell, enter. You can see in this way you can add particular numbers and you can also do subtraction, multiplications and divisions in this type. But in this type you will take long time, and what if your calculation is too complex? So that's why Excel formulas and functions came to the place. Let's see what are those. First of all we have to see sum. What you can do, just press equal to sign, type sum. Here you can see it shows me the particular format for this formula sum. It shows me select number 1 which I want to add, select this cell, comma and select another number. Just close the parenthesis, hit enter. You can see in this way we added these two numbers. Next function is minimum. It gives basically minimum value from your set. Just equal to, press min. Select this whole data. Close the parenthesis, enter. It shows me the minimum value is 20 from this cell. Similarly, you can do max. Close the parenthesis. So it shows me the maximum value is 40. Let's say I change my minimum to 0. My min is also changed. And if I change my max, you can see it is also updated here. Next is count. Count basically counts the number of cells from your selected data. Let's see. Select this whole data, or you can select this only. Close. So it shows me that this contain 7. Now see average. Average of these 4 numbers. You can also do median. Open the parenthesis. Next is concatenate. You can basically take two strings and join them. Let's I type two strings here. Equal to, type concat. It shows me to select x1, press comma and select x2. Close the parenthesis. Here you can see these two strings are not joined. If is a logical function, let's say this cell contains the value happy. I am going to give a condition here. Just press equal to if this cell contains value which is equal to happy. My condition goes true, then it must show me yay. If it is false, then it will show me no. Close the parenthesis, enter. You can see my condition is true, that's why it shows me yay. If I change this value to this, then this cell also updated or changed. Now you can use if statement for any type of logical statements or conditions. Next is COUNTIF. It is quite interesting. It basically counts the number of cells, but I have to give some conditions here. Let's see. I can set a criteria. I have to count the number of cells from this set which contains value 30. Let's see. This is my whole range, comma, and my criteria is 30. It shows me value 2. It means in this whole set there are only two cells which contains value 30. Now I am ending this tutorial with super simple formula, that is current time. Just type equal to, type now, open and close parenthesis, enter. Basically it shows me the current date and time. So these were all very simple and basic list of formulas which are very helpful. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want this kind of videos you can subscribe Software Frenzy. And if you have any queries and questions, feel free to ask me in comment section.